Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana, and today we will be working with Love Me Hair. They sent me over their headband wig. As you can see, it is 18 inches and it's a 1B natural black. I don't remember the density on the unit. It is thick though, like they do give you some hair, so I love that. And yeah, I will just get the video rolling and show you what came in the box. So when you do purchase this unit, you do get 5 trendy headbands, which is really good because they're cute and they give you the headbands. Usually some companies either don't give you any or they're not cute, I don't know. But yeah, this is the hair care instructions, the wig cap, and then a little care package. It has elastic band inside of it, the silk wrapper with their name on it, some bobby pins, and an edge brush with the little comb on it, and then they give you some tweezers and this cute little clip that says "Love Me" on it. That's really cute, and that is how the hair looks straight out of the package. And yeah, that is really good. Like, it has like a lot of body to it, even straight out of the package, of me not even having to do anything. And I'm just showing you the construction of it. That's the headband itself that, you know, is attached to the tracks of the wig. And there's 3 combs in the front and there's 1 in the back. And that is pretty much your only like security that you get for the wig. But this is how the hair looks right after I straightened it. And as you can see, it has so much body and shine to it. Like, I had to put it in the slow-mo for y'all because Love Me has some really bomb hair. Like, when they reached out and said they wanted to work with me, I was literally so excited because they got really good hair, and y'all need to check out their website. They also gave me a promo code and it's 20% off of any wig on their website. Check it out. And I did my edges off camera because, like, it's honestly really hard for me to do my edges on camera because I don't touch my natural hair. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing. I'm putting the wig on. It's really easy to put on. Like, it takes like 5 seconds to put on. It doesn't even take that long. Only thing that probably took me long was just doing my edges, but like I said, this hairstyle is really simple and effortless and it's really quick. I didn't want y'all to see my kitchen, so I covered it up real quick, but let's start looking in the back. Okay, so this is how it initially looks, like without any of the headbands. And I think you could just wear it like this. Like, you probably just wear it like this because it just looks like a little headband or something. That's cute. I mean, it is a headband, but y'all know what I mean. This is very cute. So this is the first one. This one's really cute. I think this is my favorite so far. Alright, I'm about to try on all 5 of them. Special thanks to Love Me Hair for sending me this unit. It is so easy and effortless. They were kind enough to provide me with a promo code, so you will get 20% off of it. I will leave it right here, somewhere on the screen or down below in the description box, so make sure you click that because you can use it for any wig on their website. And yeah, you'll get like 20% off of it. And with that being said, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.